All right, so number 4. Number 4 shows us how many percentage of kids said their favorite meal. So I look at my bar graph and I see it's out of 100% and I see 3 different colors. So I look at my key right here and see that supper is white, supper is also dinner, lunch is gray, and breakfast is dark gray. So I'm going to look and see what percentage of each of these it takes up. So I see breakfast is from 0 to 30. This dark gray section is from 0 to 30. And to get from 0 to 30, that makes 30%. Okay, then I'm going to look at lunch. Lunch goes from 30 to 40. Well, I know there's only a 10% difference there. And then supper goes from 40 to 100, which I know is a 60% difference. So it's asking us which table could be represented by the percentage bar graph. So I need to look and see which table matches my percentages. So letter F, breakfast has 3 students, lunch has 4 students, supper has 10 students. I need to figure out if this matches the percentages. So I'm going to set up a ratio. Because I have my percent, I can find out a total, and I have a part. Okay, so I know there's always 100%, and I know, let's start with breakfast. I know there's 30% of kids that want breakfast as their favorite meal, and in this particular chart, 3 students chose breakfast. Okay, so I'm looking for this whole number right here. So I need to count the total number of kids in my chart. So 3 plus 4 plus 10, that gives me 14, 15, 16, 17 total. So if I cross multiply and divide this ratio and get 17, I know that letter F is my answer. So I'm going to cross multiply 3 and 100 to get 300. And I'm going to divide 300 by 30. And that's going to get me 10. 10 does not match 17. So I know F is not my answer. So let's look at H. Draw my ratios. I know 100 goes at the bottom. My breakfast percentage is 30. And the part of students who want a breakfast is 9. So now I'm going to look for my total. And the total number of students in this survey is 9 plus 3 gives me 12 plus 18. Let's see. 12 plus 18 gives me 30. So if I cross multiply and divide and get 30, I know this is my correct answer because no other charts have 9 students for breakfast. So I'm going to cross multiply 9 and 100 to get 900. And then I'm going to divide by 30 to get 30. 30 matches 30, so I know H is my correct answer because no other charts have 9 students for breakfast, so I know I don't have a tie.